The simple path to wealth. He day traded for 10 years. Leo and Maya were friends from college, both starting their careers with zero savings and high ambitions. 10 years later, they met for coffee, each having followed a drastically different investment philosophy. Leo was a thrill seeker. His phone screen was a blur of red and green charts. He was heavily into day trading, buying volatile stocks based on Twitter buzz, and constantly trying to time the market. His motto was, if you aren't watching, you aren't winning. He'd seen spectacular 50% gains one month, only to wipe them out the next, fueled by caffeine and anxiety. It's exhilarating, Maya, he explained. I'm the master of my own destiny. What about you? Still putting everything into that one boring Vanguard fund? Maya smiled, calm and well-rested. Yes, still VTSAX and chill. I automate a transfer every paycheck, rain or shine, up market or down. I haven't looked at the balance since last quarter. But that's so slow. You're missing all the action. Leo gestured wildly. Maya sipped her tea. I don't look at this year, Leo. I look at the decade. The simple path doesn't promise a sprint. It promises a marathon. Leo had the latest gadgets and drove an expensive car. Purchased with debt he leveraged against his hot trades. Maya drove an older, reliable car, and her only debt was her low-interest student loan, which she was systematically paying down. The market hit a sudden, brutal slump 6 months later. Leo, highly leveraged and panicking, sold his positions at the bottom to cover margin calls. He spent weeks trying to recoup his losses, losing sleep and damaging his health. When he finally called Maya, deflated, he expected her to be crushed, too. How bad is it for the boring fund? He asked, bracing himself. Oh, it's down, of course, she replied cheerfully. But I just kept buying, same as always. It felt like a sale. Every paycheck, I bought more slices of great American businesses at a discount. The market crash didn't cost me time, it cost me a cup of coffee to set up the extra purchase. Leo realized the fundamental difference. His complex high-effort strategy turned him into the market slave. His complex high-effort strategy turned him into the market strategy, turned him into the market slave, requiring constant attention and generating immense risk. Maya's simple, automated strategy, built on low-cost index funds, turned her into the market's patient owner. She was spending her time living her life, while the surplus she invested steadily compounded, ignoring the short-term noise. 5 years later, Maya achieved her hefty money goal. She quit her stressful job to start a small, enjoyable consulting business on her own terms. Leo, after years of trying to recover, finally threw in the towel. He consolidated his remaining savings, automated his contributions, and called Maya. Welcome to the slow lane, my friend, she laughed. It's boring, but it's free. Want to learn more about simple investing strategies and wealth-building stories? Visit my website for detailed articles. Link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for more financial wisdom.